You stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and
Hello my loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create 3 super easy hairstyles. Basically are based on first hairstyle. I have so many questions about clip-in extensions. Can I wear this hairstyle with extensions? So I decided why not to incorporate some clip-in extensions for you. So basically we'll grab our top section like I'm showing here, and we want to pin it in place in the back. Also, you want to loosen a bit this crown section. Now we want to grab 2 equal sections from both sides of our created puff like that, and we want to crisscross them. Then you want to add hair and cross them to opposite section. At this point we want to grab a small section of hair from these sections we have already and add more hair from the scalp, and grabbing these 2 sections we want to bring them to opposite section. I hope that this makes sense, because basically this is a simple fishtail braid. Here of course you can make any type of braid that you like, a French braid, a Dutch braid, or pull through braid if you like. In my opinion, a fishtail braid is more like detailed, and I love this look at the moment.
you gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds. And when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call me. Just call me. Just call me.
When you are reaching ears level, you want to make a simple fishtail braid without adding hair. Then you want to use a clear elastic to tie your braid. Then grabbing a small strand of hair from this braid, you want to wrap it around hair elastic to cover it, and you want to bring it backwards. And grabbing your elastic, you want to tuck it in like so. This way you'll fix it. And your half updo hairstyle is ready. Then we want to make our second hairstyle. So we'll make as simple as we could, because we will divide all our hair into 3 equal sections and make a simple 3-strand braid. Make sure to loosen it and tie it using a clear elastic. And yes, you're done. Then we will simply move on to our third hairstyle. So basically we'll grab our braid, we'll loosen it even more and make an opening through the fishtail braid and bring the 3-strand braid through it and pin it in place like that. Make sure to crisscross your bobby pins so this way it will stay in place. Also you can loosen it and pin it in place from the sides, creating this bun effect. And you're done! I hope that you really enjoyed this tutorial and you'll use these hairstyles maybe for Christmas morning or for Christmas Eve. And you know, I love you so much, and see you in my next hair tutorial. Mwah! Bye!
You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds.